Turkey for Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving, a very special day celebrated in USA, symbolizing intercultural peace, family and gratefulness. We should all celebrate and be grateful for everything that brought us where we are today. The star of traditional cuisine was always the turkey, but roasting an entire turkey can be intimidating. We propose an extremely simple method which requires minimum effort and the result is amazing. Crunchy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. It has only three ingredients, turkey, of course, butter and salt. But as we always promote, get crazy creative and use the spices which entertain the most of your senses. Enjoy and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes.